Friends, in this I am explaining how to find the determinant of the given matrix very easily. So first this you should write 2, next like this you should multiply. Okay, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 1 2. Okay, next minus of minus 1. Okay, next bracket start 1 into 4 4 minus 1 plus 4 into this element 4 2s are 8 minus into minus plus 3. Okay, so 2 into minus 5 plus 1 into 3 plus 4 into 11. So minus 10 plus 3 plus 44. So minus 10 plus 47, which is 37 is the answer for this question. Next, this question I am showing how to find the determinant. 1 into 6 minus 28. Okay, minus 2 into minus 24 minus 14 minus 3 into 16 plus 2 18. Okay, so this is minus 22 minus 2 into minus 38 minus 54. So if you do minus 22 plus 76 minus 54, these two if you add means minus 76 plus 76, which is equal to 0. Okay, so I hope you understand these two questions clearly. So thank you for watching.